my bike. It's super like cooked. Like look at the grips, look at the shocks. They're literally leaking oil, and it's also dirty, and the tire is also cooked. So I'm gonna replace the grips today. And I'm sorry because there is not a good lightning, but enjoy the way. Look at the grips. But the grips that I'm using, I already unboxed it, but I wanted to show you guys. I ordered them from like Daraz, and they were really good. So it says GTS, and it's also affordable. So I'm gonna change the grips and enjoy the video. I'm gonna call my sister for this. So it's not coming, so I have to do it by myself. So these are the grips. I'm gonna put them down over here. Oh, they're literally going away. Hell no. And let's put this one. This one will come. Oh my god, they're really stiff. Wait. Come on. It's really hard to do it because I'm just using my one hand. Yeah, you guys couldn't see properly. It's a hard thing. I have to do it by myself, so sorry I can't record. The grips are pretty good, but he accidentally sent me the same grip, like on the same side. So I have to put it upside down, but it will work. It looks good, by the way. So let's put it, and I'm gonna meet you after putting it. Let me try to record. No, I can't. It was wrong. It is like on the right direction. So these grips are pretty sick, man. Look at the pattern on them, and the GTS looks super cool. I'm sad that I didn't got the black color, but the blue looks really sick on this bike. And as you guys remember, I painted the bike. I also painted this side and this side. New video will come really soon in which I'm gonna restore this paint. And look at this mud guard. I'm just gonna hang it with the tape, but I'm gonna buy a new one for this bike. And the new videos are gonna come really soon. And after like restoring it in the last video, this whole axle broke down, and this thing also was like the free wheel or the casket was also gone. So it was really sad. I was not able to ride it, but it's good. And you guys would be thinking, what kind of shocks are these? These are just local one, and the stand is also weird. So I'm just gonna make a new video in which I'm gonna upgrade the whole bike. So I'm going to tuition right now, so bye guys. These look so good.